Finally, at the end of this gospel, Jesus Christ makes a profound statement. He said, "Where two or three are gathered together in my name, there I am in the midst of them." This assures us, especially on that last procedure, last step, by bringing the matter to the church, that when we gather in prayer, when we seek God's will in matters of conflict, in matters of sin, then Christ is present by offering His guidance and His grace. Saint Maximilian Kolbe, whose memorial we celebrate today, offers us a powerful example of living these teachings of Christ. As we all know, even in the face of unimaginable sufferings, especially in that concentration camp, Saint Maximilian exemplified Christ's teaching, the call